Got any plans? Check your calendar. Hey, it's Friday night and work is done. I'm meeting my friends for a little fun. We're having dinner at that new place. I see a smile on every face. I'm not working tomorrow, I'm sleeping in. The weekend is ready to begin. What are you doing later tonight? I'm catching a movie, I'm feeling alright. Are you coming with us? Are you staying home? I'm leaving the office, I'm free to roam. We're dancing at midnight, we're taking a drive. I'm feeling so good to be alive. She's flying to London on Sunday morning. He's visiting a town where he was born. They're getting married in the month of May. I'm taking a holiday far away. My brother's playing in a football game. No two weekends are ever the same. What are you doing later tonight? I'm catching a movie, I'm feeling alright. Are you coming with us? Are you staying home? I'm leaving the office, I'm free to roam. We're dancing at midnight, we're taking a drive. I'm feeling so good to be alive. I'm seeing the doctor at 3:30. I'm meeting my boss, he's waiting for me. We aren't doing anything special at all, just waiting for you to give us a call. What are you doing? I'm leaving soon. I'm seeing you later under the moon.